So here we are back at the painting of the doped covering, excuse me, 100% polyester covering. So this was the 2K, it's a 4:1 mix primer, Exhibit A. And I've tried putting some more heat back on this, but it shrunk initially but went straight back to being slack, and I suspect that's because the 2K the 2K primer has now cured, and it's just it's maintaining a flexed or a slack state rather than shrinking with the dope. On the flip side, this is the enamel, this Rust-Oleum enamel. It has stayed tight, which is a plus, but it's also now this is days old since I sprayed this, and it's still sticky. So I'm not keen to use the aerosol enamel because I don't want to rely on air dry. I'd rather have something cure. So I think what I'm going to have to do is just bite the bullet and commit to my theory, my logic of just a very light dust coat of the 2K to get a cured film over the dope without it affecting the dope greatly. Apparently, according to an AI agent, one of the better primers to put over a doped surface without affecting the tautening properties is an epoxy paint, as opposed to what I suspected. This is a polyurethane or something. I don't know. I don't believe it's an epoxy paint or an epoxy primer. I could be wrong. So I think that's the risk I will take. Is I'll put a dust coat on everything, and even if it requires maybe even 2 dust coats, I don't know. It's all a bit scary. I don't want to waste all the effort I've gone to so far. As far as latex paints, I haven't investigated that. I probably should before I take that step. Yeah, all right. I'll go down that road first before I go any further. Over and out.